Today we are going to talk about the derivation of de Broglie's equation. From Einstein's equation, we see that E equals to mc squared, whereby our m equals to the mass and our c equals to the velocity. And from Planck's equation, we see that E equals to h of v. Our h is the Planck's constant, and our v is the frequency. So we are going to equate both the equations, whereby we are going to say that mc squared equals to hv, and as we know, v equals to c over the wavelength. So we are going to replace the v with c over the wavelength. So we are going to say mc squared equals to h c over the wavelength. So here we are going to multiply by wavelength over c multiplied by the wavelength over c. So this and this cancels out. We are left with h equals to this c cancels with this c, remaining with only one c. So we are left with the wavelength mc c equals to the h. So we want to be left with the wavelength on one side, so we are going to divide both sides by mc. So we're going to be left with wavelength equals to h over mc, and as we know, p equals to mc, so it's the same as writing wavelength equals to h over p, and that's how we derive de Broglie's equation. Thank you for watching.